Good morning, everybody. CryptoStrang here. This morning, going to give another update on Veracity, VRA, one of my biggest holdings and one of my biggest hopes for the next bull run. Speak very fondly about this project. Lately, certainly over the last sort of 6 to 8 weeks, obviously the market's had quite a big dump, and I'm amazed we're actually this low again with the price. I think we actually had 1 pence literally like 7-8 weeks ago. It's incredible to think where we are now. Crazy low price. In my opinion, a wonderful opportunity to accumulate some more. Okay, it's never financial advice to do your own research, but we've got a wonderful, unique project here. I spoke many times before. Also, never come across a project that causes so much FUD within the community. Okay, you have your very passionate Veracity, or Verations as they call them, but also a lot of people creating FUD, saying it's a scam, etc. Me personally, I looked very in depth at this project. I love what the team are doing. They could have been a bit more transparent when they divided the tokens into the VRA and the POV tokens, which is going on Tron. They just kind of moved the goalposts, which didn't help. And I've always said before, a monthly AMA with the community would do absolute wonders for this project. Okay, hopefully in time they'll do that. But it's very often we come across these projects are launched and they're pretty much the same sort of dialogue, etc. But Veracity is unique. Okay, they've got the Vera ads, the Vera wallet, the Veraviews, etc. I think it's a really unique project what they're doing. Okay, and I really think this could be a massive profit for me in the next bull market. I truly do believe this is a wonderful time to accumulate VRA, but obviously only time will tell. There's obviously no guarantee. See on the screen, I say price is 0.002. We had 1 pence recently. The market cap was just over £26 million. Crazy low market cap. Now, again, CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko have got the circulating supply wrong. They've reached another burn, which we'll talk about in a minute, but also they're not dividing what they're talking about, the 90 billion tokens, which will never be on under VRA on exchange. So these 90 billion shouldn't be recorded here on CoinGecko, hopefully, or CoinMarketCap. So when hopefully they finally do this divide, which will hopefully be later this year, and those 90 billion go on the Tron network with whatever they're going to call it, no one's actually confirmed exactly what it'd be called. Who knows what this will do to the price when people finally realise the actual supply of Veracity. So again, time will tell. Now, also with the burns, I think the VRA token itself is constantly diminishing what they're going to be out on the exchanges. So again, I think that will affect the price. I think it needs to say more transparency to the community. I'd like to see the team communicate a lot more. They've done a bit on X, they do reach out, but as I said, I think they need to be a bit more open with their plans for the future. I know we've got the roadmap, but just really clarify a lot of things. I think it'll do wonders. I truly do. Anyway, it's on the CoinMarketCap. Now, you go on VRAwallet. Now, I've done a dedicated video before on how to stake. You cannot stake in the UK. Luckily, I got in early, so you still allowed existing UK users to continue. I do know some people have got around this. However, do your own research. For me personally, it's a wonderful opportunity. I'm getting my daily VRA. Passive income is what everyone really does need. That's something I'm really passionate about. Now, you can see I found this fascinating. Now, I was surprised this year when they extended the stake into March next year. However, I also noticed, look at the staking pool. Available capacity, there's only under now 11 million. Okay, 10,858,000 VRA left to be staked. Okay, that is absolutely incredible. So you think the amount of people still joining this, the amount of VRAwallet users there are, that's going to come down quite rapidly, that staking pool. What you have to do is what I do. Every time you reach 10,000 VRA, you can stake again. That's what you minimum need to start staking on VRA, 10,000. When you look at the price at the moment, that's not a lot, okay, money. But again, do your own research. But me personally, it's a wonderful opportunity. I'm constantly restaking all the time. So get myself a real solid bag. And that's what I really want. Now, I've showed it before, the roadmap, third and fourth quarter this year. You can see it really focusing on the VRAwallet and the Veraviews, upgrading them. The VRAwallet 2.0 would be fascinating to see. More features on it. It'd be great if you could buy direct on there. That'd be absolutely fantastic with a bank transfer or a debit credit card, for example. That would be absolutely wonderful. So again, let's see how the rest of the year pans out. The roadmap, you see this project, you can see just on top here how long it's been around. Look, 2017 was their first roadmap. Okay, it's a massive year for Veracity the rest of this year, plus going into next year. Okay, it really is as they develop, and this roadmap is exercised and everything goes forward with this project. But it's many parts to the Veracity ecosystem, which makes it truly unique. Recent news article, Hub.xyz. Literally last week, thrilled to welcome Veracity Tech to Hub. They've been on this wonderful partnership. Veracity is an open ledger ecosystem bringing trust and transparency to the advertising supply chain. Now, what they did is tweet where they're offering $1,000 of VRA to 3 people who follow both. So I've done and I've retweeted it, okay? Now, $1,000 of VRA actually give you a real solid bag, wouldn't it, at the moment? So that's absolutely a wonderful opportunity there. So it's a great partnership they've got here. Now, they are constantly getting these partnerships and development. That's what I really like. Any project's got to get the investors and partnerships. You go on their website, Hub.xyz. Trusted by 1,000 plus projects and creators, 25 million plus followers. Okay, and that's really interesting. Their Twitter account was only started in March, already got 30,000 followers. So they are making huge strides. You see on their site everything they do. Really is absolutely incredible. So the fact that Veracity have got this unique partnership, and I think is again fantastic for them. Also saw this link the other day. We talked about ad fraud, where people buy these advert packages and they buy this advertising. It's actually viewed by robots and no good to them. It's just a waste. But obviously the person who had the money is doing very well. What Vera Ads does, and everything else part of the ecosystem, is making the ads genuine and making genuine people actually view it. Okay, so you can see here the estimated fraud will go from 88 billion to 172 billion dollars by 2028. Okay, again, when Veracity is this unique project, I know there's a few others doing a similar thing, not many, but I say it's quite a unique project. They're doing that, and I say if they can really embrace this and get more partnerships, who knows what they'll do for Veracity tokens, especially when I say the 90 billion POV tokens are out there, which are completely separate, and you've solely got the VRA. I think that would be absolutely fascinating to really do. Now, breaking news again, they do this every quarter, is VRA circulating supply drops below 10 billion. They've done their second quarter burn, round 8, permanently removing 70,866,000 VRA worth $225,000 from the circulating supply. Even got the link to the transaction there. You can see it goes into this basically a dead wallet, which can't be touched. So again, they're constantly doing these quarterly burns, which again affects it. So I know I repeat myself, but when you go on CoinMarketCap and you see these constant supply coming down, and when they get rid of those 90 billion, people generally see what actual supply is left, and you just have to go on VRAwallet to see how much left basically for staking. Okay, so again, to me that is absolutely fantastic news. Also saw this. This is a really nice place to X account to follow, House of Chimera. They do a lot of research, deep research. I really do like this. But I saw this recent tweet: sharp increase in Veracity Tech's social dominance over the last 3 months. Despite recent industry turmoil, the social dominance of VRA has surged significantly in the past few days. This surge indicates a notable rise in social activity, and you can see here, basically you go from pretty stagnant there, you can see there, but look up here, what's happened literally on the 1st of July, huge peak. Okay, a lot of people interested in this project. Okay, so you get the FUD and all that nonsense out of the way. There's a lot of people believe in this project, so it's great to see, and I really do like that. This is another guy, one of the leaders of Veratech. Got this wonderful map he's put, the ecosystem map of Veracity, and this is what I like. You've got the product verticals there, you've got the affiliations, okay, the ad networks. Amazon has their, incredible partners, integrations. Obviously, it's great to see the Creo engine, this project I spoke about many times before. Carbon browsers go on, Keelme and Brightcove. Service providers, okay, nice solid amount. You see there, Hub.xyz we spoke about. Transact, again, was good. We talked about the debit card, etc. So it's great to see. And obviously all the exchanges, a lot of exchanges. It's great to see it on BITPANDA. Obviously, Bybit can no longer join the UK. Obviously, Crypto.com is fine. Gate, mentioned many times. Again, very restricted now on UK users. KU Coin is another one. Existing UK users are fine. However, they're restricted. MEXC is fine for UK users. OKX, again, you still use it, but you have to go for this questionnaire, but they don't want people from the UK basically joining a lot of these exchanges anymore, which is pretty sad the way it's gone. But that's the way it is. So just want to go through, but just go back to CoinMarketCap and look at that price again. I know I spoke about this very, very, very fondly. I know people get carried away with the price predictions for this project, but I strongly do believe this is such a wonderful low cap gem, but only time will tell. Thanks very much. If you want to help as usual, email me info@CryptoStrang.com. All my social media links below. Come and join us on a Telegram group, my Facebook group. Help any way we can. Quite challenging times as you have the post-Bitcoin halving. Been a lot of hype lately about crypto and the dumps, etc. And a lot of visibility in the mainstream media as well. What you got to remember is with Bitcoin, it does this routine after every halving. And also we've seen about the German government selling some Bitcoin. We've also seen the Mt. Gox, the big hack of 2014. They finally recovered a lot of the Bitcoins. They're now giving those Bitcoins back to the people who previously got scammed and lost it. Okay, so naturally they're probably selling some. Okay, so you do get this, but I believe strongly with the ETFs progressing, the Ethereum ETF literally about to be approved. I think it's a wonderful opportunity with crypto. And I think late this year, we'll have some real solid pumps, but only time will tell. So thanks very much. We will chat again soon. Cheers now. Bye.